What's the meaning of Bengali? Bengali. Bengali.
Bengali. Bengali. Bengali refers to the people and language native to the region of Bengal, which is located in the eastern part of the Indian subcontinent and encompasses parts of India and Bangladesh. The Bengali language is a member of the Indo-Aryan language family and is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, with over 250 million speakers. The culture of Bengal is rich and diverse, with a long history of literature, music, arts, and traditions. Bengali cuisine is also renowned for its unique flavors and spices. The people of Bengal have made significant contributions to various fields, including science, politics, and literature.